Hey bunnies, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super psyched you're back again. So sorry that it's taking so long to do the Disney office tour. Some health concerns have come up and it is really taking up a lot of my time, along with preparing for my very first cruise, which happens to be a 7-day cruise. So, and being someone that's hydrophobic, it is just very, very stressful. But let's hope I have a great time and jump right into the video. So I'm going to start off with the most expensive item first, which happens to be $4.99, so $5, and it is the Darth Vader lightsaber. If you guys have seen my previous video, you guys will know that I have Luke Skywalker and Obi-Wan Kenobi, but I did want Darth Vader's to complete that kind of collection. I do believe they do still have Rey, so these are at the 99-cent store. I didn't want Rey's. I don't have a real reason why, except that that character wasn't one that's like part of near and dear to my heart. But these three are, and Rey's happens to be blue, which is the same as Obi-Wan Kenobi, so I got my blue lightsaber. So I got my collection thus far. I'm really excited. The next thing that I went ahead and picked up was this baseball. It's a plastic baseball and it comes with a little ball. I will probably decorate this ball to somewhat match the Mickey on this, maybe with some stickers. And this was $3.99 for this set. I don't think you can go wrong coming in the summer because these is like really cheap plastic, so it will probably last you all summer, and then you can toss in for $3.99. I don't feel too bad, so I think we're gonna have fun with my little brother and that. Again, if you saw last video, I was missing this Bailey for the squiggle fish, and I was able to find him at the 99-cent store in Lake Havasu for just 99 cents, so had to go ahead and pick him up. I was probably the only grown woman screaming because I found this toy, so interesting. For 99 cents again, the same Lake Havasu store, I went ahead and found a Disney Avengers kite. If you know anything about Kingman, it's kind of near the mountains, so we do get a lot of windy days out here. So this is going to be real fun for my little brother to go out and go kiting. I'm not a Marvel fan. I actually don't like Marvel characters, but it was between this and I think Minnie Mouse, and those were the only ones they had, so picked the less girly of the two for him, so he can be welcome. I did find some really cool Toy Story stuff. As you guys know, Toy Story 4 is coming out, so they have a lot of Toy Story, you know, 1, 2, 3, and 4 merch. This is actually from Toy Story 4. Where's the... And it has the whole gang, so I'm really excited. So you have Rex, Jessie, Buzz, Woody, and Ham. And Ham is like one of my favorite characters now from Toy Story. Going back and rewatching it, and having so many people talk about Ham, you know, now I'm a Ham fan. So that's pretty cool. The next 3 items are pool items. They were only 99 cents, and I was super excited because, again, summer's right around the corner, so I'm getting prepared for it. We have the Toy Story 4 beach ball. We have the Toy Story 4 swim ring, and it's got the aliens. Too cool. And then we have the Toy Story 4 arm floats. So one has Buzz and the other has Woody. That just made it make so much sense to me. I was like, this is the cutest thing ever. So real stoked about that. I was able to find at my 99-cent store here in Kingman, which never has anything. These guys, which are the hand sanitizers. I think I've done these in another video, but in case I didn't, I went and got all 4 yet again. I was so stoked to find them because I give them away so often. So very cool. The hand sanitizer is not the best. It is actually really weak, but they are very cute. little like charms for your purse if you carry bigger purses. And then the last items I found at the 99 in Lake Havasu were these lanyards. So this one is Frozen. I did find the princess one. And I was able to find Mickey. So, and all of them are Disney canon. I don't know if I showed the tags on the other two, but they are canon Disney. And I like lanyards for everything. Sometimes I put different keys on different lanyards. That way I can grab whichever one I need, and I do make spares. I'm one of those people who's paranoid about not having enough or running out and missing something. So that's that. And then I wanted to show you guys a DIY that I worked on and have been getting compliments for like the last about week. I've been getting at least 2 or 3 compliments anytime I go out on it, and it is this really like DIY-ish phone case. So all I did was grab the OtterBox that I already had. It was clear with like gold glitter. I was printing out stuff and putting on the back, basic DIY, but I decided to go ahead and grab one of these little like card pouch is, but I have done it before and they wear out really, really quick. It's not a great quality. It is coming from the 99-cent store after all. So what I did instead was to make it pop was use these, which are from a previous video, the Zoom Zoom ones though, but they're stickers. So I got these puffy stickers and used a couple of those and some stickers from this sticker collection thing. So these were both bought at the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece, and I was able to make this. And a lot of people have complimented on it and told me how cool it is and where did I get it, and I'm like, I made it. It was like $2 worth of stickers at Dollar Tree. So hope that gives you guys some inspiration, and hope you guys enjoy the video. And remember, you can always get Disney at a discount.